Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updated videos.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Query Solution. So in today's session children, we are going to talk on that what will be the different conditions of the blood group in children if the parent belong to the different ABO blood grouping systems. So even if you want to know all this into detail, do watch my video completely, and for now let us start up with our video. Such questions children, where we get a question like if father has blood group A and mother has got blood group B, what will be the possibilities of the blood group that can come down in children? So for doing such crosses children, first of all we need to know that what are the genetic conditions with respect to the blood group. Now in my previous video children, I have already said how we can determine the different genetic conditions and what are the different genetic conditions with respect to the ABO blood group. So I would recommend all of you to first watch that video for your clarity onto this. What are these genes and alleles that I have written over here for your better understanding. So children, as in case and if you have seen already that video, you will be very easily you can identify that a person who belongs to blood group A can have these two genetic conditions. Either they can be in the homozygous condition as you can see over here, or they can be in the heterozygous condition. Similarly, for a person who belongs to blood group B can have this homozygous condition as you can see over here, or it can be in the form of the heterozygous condition as you can see. So in such cases children, where we have to deduce the possibility in terms of children, we have to solve such questions depending on cases. How many cases are we getting? So cases, what do I mean by saying that? That if this is the combination which is present in father, then it can fuse with either of the combination of the mother, right? And if this is the combination in father, it can fuse with either of the case in mother. So based on the same children, we are now going to solve every possible case study that can come out of all these four genotypes with respect to blood groups in the parent. So let us take our first example children. In case where the father is belonging to the homozygous condition and even the mother is the homozygous condition. So if the blood group of a father is A because of the presence of the genes which are IA, and if the this give A blood group, this will give the B, and if from the mother the alleles which are contributing in giving the blood group B is IB and IB. So let us explore in this condition children what will be the possible genotypes of the children's blood group. So children, if this allele fuse with this allele of the mother, what will be the combination? The combination will be IA and IB, and in this case children, what will be the blood group? So the blood group will be AB, as we have already seen IA and IB give a combination of the blood group which is AB, right? Let us see the second case now. If this allele fuse with this one of the mother, again the combination is IA and IB, the blood group again will become what? The blood group will become AB in nature. If this allele children fuse with this one, again the combination will be IA and IB same, and if this allele fuse with this one children, the combination will again be IA and IB, and all the combination children are giving a similar blood group which is AB. So in case 1, as we have seen children, if a parent who have blood group A and B get children and all of them have the same blood group AB, 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 what does that mean? That means that the parent are belonging to the homozygous condition. This is what is our case 1. Now let us explore if there are other cases, which they are definitely there. So let us see what will happen in the different cases. So let me draw now a case 2 to you people. Case 2. Now in the case 2, we are taking the condition where the father having blood group A, mother having blood group B has a condition. Father has a condition of IA, and mother has the condition IBI. What will be the situation in such cases? Let us explore. So if this allele of the father children fuse with this allele of the mother, the combination will be what? IAIB. We will write the blood groups later. If this allele children fuse with this one, what will be the combination? IAI, right? If this fuse with this one, again the combination will be IAIB, and if this one fuse with this children, the combination again would be IAI. So let us see what will be the possible blood groups. In this combination, the blood group will be AB. In this combination, children, the blood group will be A. In this combination, again the blood group will be AB, and in this combination, again the blood group will be A. So in this combination, children, what is the percentage of AB we are getting? 50%. What is the percentage of A we are getting? Even 50%. So in such cases, when a father belonging to blood group A marries a woman blood group B and have children having AB blood groups along with A in equal ratio, what does that mean? That one of the parent is dominating and another one is heterozygous. Sorry, one of the parent is homozygous and another is heterozygous, as you can see. So this is case number 2. Now let us explore case number 3. So I am drawing case number 3 over here, children. I will draw case 4 over here. So looking at case number 3, children, let us take if father having blood group A as this condition and mother having blood group B as this condition, what will happen? So the father has blood group, the condition as, okay, let me use the black pen. No, sorry, the blue one. Okay. So the father is having blood group A with the condition IAI, and the mother is having the condition which is IBIB. Now what will happen in this case? Let us explore. Again, if this allele fuse with this allele, what is the combination of blood group that we will get? So the combination will be AB. If this allele fuse with this allele, again we will have a blood group which will be AB in nature, right? If this allele fuse with this one, as you can see, and if this also fuse with this one, we are going to get the same results as IB and I. We are going to get the blood group as B and B. Again, children, as we were seeing in this one, the condition was 50-50% between AB and A. In the same way, children, the condition over here is also 50-50% but between AB and B. Now, always, children, if you are having least time, I would suggest you that always go for a combination which will be IAI and IBI or any of the heterozygous condition, because that actually gives us the maximum possibilities of the genotypes or of the blood groups in the progenies, children. So let us explore how. What am I talking about? So let me draw a case 4 over here. In the case 4, what are my conditions? The father is having blood group IAI, mother is having the blood group IAI. Now, what are the possibilities we are going to see, children, in this? We are going to get the maximum possibility. Till now, we have got possibility of blood group AB, all being blood group AB, and 50-50% of blood group AB and A, 50% of blood group AB and B. Now, in this, as I am saying you, we are going to get the maximum possibilities out. So, how? Let us see that. If this IA, children, goes with this one, what is the blood group that we will get? We will get the blood group AB. Right, because IA and IB will give us AB. If this IA, children, goes with this one, what is the blood group we are going to get? So we are going to get the blood group A, because IA and I is going to give us blood group A. If this I, children, goes with this one of the mother, what is the combination of the blood group that we will get? So the blood group will be B. And children, if this combination, this I goes with this one, what is the combination that we are going to get? So we are going to get a combination of O. So just imagine now, by taking the heterozygous condition in this case, we could see all the 4 possibilities of the blood group that can arise in the ratio of 25%. Equal chances of all is what is there when a heterozygous genotype of the blood group of any one of the parent fuse with the heterozygous genotype of another parent. So whenever I am saying, children, if directly you have been asked such questions, of course, always I recommend you to draw such crosses. But if your question is objective and they are directly asking you what are the possible genotypes, then you can always go through the heterozygous condition, children, because as you can see, this is going to give us the maximum possibility. And with respect to the same type of cross that we have drawn, children, you can also draw crosses with respect to different blood group. Like what will be the condition if the father will be AB, mother will be O? Or what will be the condition if father will be O and mother will be A? So all such conditions you can explore based on the same type of cross that I have shown to you people just now. But what you should be aware is, you have to be aware with respect to what is the genotype of the parent of the blood group that we are talking about. If you are clear with this, then you will be definitely able to draw the crosses, and always draw all the possible conditions, because if such questions are asked in exam and they are carrying 2 marks or 3 marks, then definitely you need to draw all the cases, because that only will give you marks. Fine. So I hope everybody is clear with the video. If you have got doubt, I'm sorry, you can definitely ask to me in the comment section box, and I'll be very happy to help you out. So till then, do subscribe my channel, refer it to your friends, do like my video, and thank you for watching.